In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQ, that is dimension of home into M2 for P of 2 into T is equal to solution, that is first of all dimension of home M2 3 P 3 2 T is equal to, so P as dimension of P 3T, which is equal to 3 polynomial general form A0 plus A1 x1 plus A2 x power 2 plus A3 x power 3 plus up to so on plus An xn. Total terms are n plus 1, so dimension Pn of T is equal to n plus 1. So dimension of M2 4, so 2 4 times is 8. Dimension of M2 3 P 2 of T is equal to 3 multiply 8, so 3 8 times is equal to 24. So option D is correct, that is 24. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.